Okay, I like to separate my hardware out, identify everything, and basically my next step is to mount my brackets. These will be used on the bottom bracket. These would be used if you have to use the spacers on a 2011 or above. We have a 2003, so we won't be using that. Okay, so this bracket is the bottom mounting bracket. We're going to go ahead and mount our airbags to here. We're on the driver's side. This is the wide side. Leaf spring would be here if you had a diesel. So we're going to turn it around. Leaf spring will be here because we have a gasoline engine, and the U-bolts are different. So we're going to go ahead and mount the airbag. Orientation to the airbag would be this way, with the air inlet facing this direction. So we're going to use this hole, and we're going to use the small bolts. And if we were to have to use this for 2011, we would have to use the longer bolts there, but we have a 2003, so no issue. Alright, we're going to get this mounted up. Okay, so we're building the driver's side top mount. This bracket will mount into the lower two holes for two-wheel drive, and it'll be in the upper two holes if you have a four-wheel drive. So we're ready to build this side. Alright, to be noted, this is the passenger side, this is the driver's side. We've already removed the bumper underneath, and we're going to be mounting this using this metric bolt here and here, the flat bolts. This way it doesn't get in the way of the airbag, and you use your Allen wrench to tighten it up. This goes into your frame, sets as such. Let's go get it mounted. Okay, so we found a problem. This bolt does not fit there on our truck. We got a smaller bolt, so I'm gonna drill and tap it, because this bolt is much bigger. I think it'll be more secure. So this is what I'm going to use, and of course this wasn't mentioned in the instructions, so adds another little dimension to it.